Now, what the narrator sees? Narrator sees that people were polluting Bagmati river. How they were polluting the Bagmati river? Women are washing clothes in the Bagmati river. Then children are taking bath. Withered flowers, leaves and old offerings are thrown into it. Apart from this, what he sees that dead body was also cremated on the bank of the river Bagmati. Then one belief is also over there about the कलयुगा. कलयुग के बारे में वहां के लोगों का एक मत है. वो क्या विचार है कि एक स्मॉल श्राइन एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम द रिवर. रिवर से एक छोटी सी श्राइन मूर्ति जो है बाहर निकल रही है और कहते हैं व्हेन इट विल कम आउट फुल्ली द गॉडेस विल डिसअपियर and Kalyug will come to an end. So we have covered two more questions here. First is how does people pollute Bagmati river? बागमती रिवर को लोग कैसे पोल्यूट कर रही हैं? लोग बच्चे उसमें वुमेन वॉश कर रही हैं क्लॉथ्स को. चिल्ड्रन जो है दे आर टेकिंग बाथ. withered flowers, old offerings, they are thrown into the Bagmati river, and on the side of the Bagmati river dead bodies are cremated. In this way the Bagmati river is polluted. And now one belief they are having. What is the belief? That when the shrine emerges fully, then the Kalyuga will come to an end. After that, narrator visited the Bodhnath temple. Bodhnath temple, what is over there? Bodhnath stupa mein, there he sees the Tibetan immigrants people. Keep in brain, कौन से लोगों को देखते हैं? Tibetan immigrant people. And there are shops over there, and what they are selling? They are selling silver jewelry over there. We people can bought silver jewelry. हम उनसे silver jewelry purchase कर सकते हैं. Then the author sees the scene in the market. उसके बाद नरेटर हमारा देख रहे हैं सीन कहाँ पे? मार्केट का सीन. मार्केट में बच्चे टोटल chaos is there, total confusion is there. What he sees? Different kind of hawkers are there. They were selling their things, different kind of ornaments. Then radio's sound is blared out. Cows are also making sound, and then there are sound of recorders there. Then hawkers are selling tape rolls, cosmetics, and then copper utensils over there. ये सारी की सारी चीजें वहां शॉप्स के ऊपर बिक रही हैं. Then the narrator's eyes goes to a फ्लूट सेलर. अचानक से नरेटर की आंखें कहाँ चली जाती हैं? एक फ्लूट सेलर पे चली जाती हैं. हु वॉज सेलिंग हिज फ्लूट्स. ओके जी. नाउ ही वॉज सेलिंग हिज फ्लूट. हाउ ही इज सेलिंग हिज फ्लूट? नाउ यू हैव टू इमेजिन बच्चे इन योर ब्रेन हाउ अ बैलून सेलर sells his balloon. Everybody knows how a balloon seller sells his balloon. Yes, he is having a pole, and on that pole there are different kind of balloons. In the same way, now here the narrator sees a flute seller. फ्लूट सेलर मीन्स बांसुरी बेचने वाला. और वो जो है डिफरेंट काइंड की जो है उसके पास में फ्लूट्स हैं बच्चे. एंड दे आर होल्डिंग ऑन अ पोल. एक पोल के ऊपर उसने जो है उनको हैंग किया हुआ है. एंड दे आर जस्ट लुकिंग लाइक द पर्कुपाइंस. ये जो उसकी पड़ी हुई है यहाँ पे कैसे दिख रही हैं? पर्कुपाइंस के जैसी. दे आर कंपेयर्ड विथ पर्कुपाइंस. नाउ other hawkers are also sitting over there. They are selling their articles. So what is the difference between other hawkers and the flute seller? That they are crying loudly in order to sell their things. ये हॉकर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे हैं, कम एंड टेक दिस थिंग, कम एंड टेक दिस थिंग, इस तरह से वो बोल रहे हैं. लेकिन फ्लूट सेलर जो है बच्चे, ही इज स्टैंडिंग एट हिज ओन प्लेस, ही इज नॉट क्राइंग आउट इन ऑर्डर टू सेल हिज आर्टिकल्स. वो अपने फ्लूट्स को बेचने के लिए चिल्ला नहीं रहा है. रादर ही हैज अडॉप्टेड अ डिफरेंट वे. उसने एक अलग ही तरीका अपनाया हुआ है. वो क्या? ही सिलेक्ट्स वन फ्लूट रेंडमली. रेंडमली एक फ्लूट को सिलेक्ट करते हैं और उसको बजाना शुरू करते हैं. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ट्यून्स ही प्ले ऑन द फ्लूट्स एंड ऑन हियरिंग दो साउंड्स पीपल स्टार्टेड गैदरिंग ओवर देयर एंड द कस्टमर परचेज वट एवर फ्लूट, वट एवर थिंग दे लाइक टू परचेज. ओके जी. So what is the difference between flute seller and the other hawkers over there? If question comes like this in exam, then you can write down other hawkers, they are crying out in order to sell their articles, but the flute seller, he is not crying out, he is selling the things in a different way. How he is selling? He is picking flutes one by one, playing tunes on them, and customers approaches to him and they purchase the things from him. Okay ji. Now flute is very popular in India. Flute is almost played on every occasion, and here in this chapter the narrator has described about different kind of flutes also there. Okay ji. So different kind of flutes name you have to keep in brain. What they are given over there? Reed, nay. First name is reed, nay. रीड आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जहां पे भी हमारी दलदल वाली जमीन होती है वहां पे जो अपने आप से ग्रो कर जाती है होलो वुड, दैट इज नोन एज रीड. उससे बनाई हुई जो आपकी फ्लूट है, दैट्स नेम इज रीड, ने. देन उसके बाद में क्या है? द रिकॉर्डर. सेकेंड काइंड की आपके पास में जो है, दैट इज द रिकॉर्डर. एंड थर्ड नंबर पे यू पीपल आर हैविंग द जापानीज. थर्ड फ्लूट दे आर हैविंग द जापानीज shakuhachi. Third type you are having Japanese shakuhachi, and then they are having some other kind of flute also, Hindustani flutes you can say, and then flutes of South America, high pitched classical flutes. These are few names which are mentioned in the chapter, so you will learn them by heart. Okay ji. So now how the question can come in exam? If short questions are there, then it can come from where the Kathmandu chapter has been taken. That I have already told you that it has been taken from the travelogue which is written by the narrator, and here in this chapter he has described his visit to Kathmandu. And then which two places he has visited over there? He has visited Pashupatinath temple and Bodhnath temple. Now what did he see at the Pashupatinath temple? Pashupatinath temple पे उसने क्या देखा? Pashupatinath temple पे उसने क्या देखा बच्चे? That there was a rush of devotees who want to see the idol of God, and they were pushing other people aside in order to go to the shrine. But soon the Nepalese princess came over there. Everybody gave a side and bow in front of her, make way to the shrine. And then there were monkeys, cows were there, pigeons were there, dogs were there near the temple, and two monkeys were fighting each other. Then Western people group wearing the saffron clothes tried to enter into the temple, but policemen tried to stop them because they were not feeling that they were the Hindu people. And the only the Hindu people could enter into the temple. So this is all about which he had seen at the Pashupatinath temple. After that he reached at the Bodhnath Stupa. As compared to the first one, here he finds complete peace, complete serenity. There is no noise. Only the Tibetan immigrants people he was able to see over there. And there were few shops, no doubt. And they were selling only silver jewelry. क्या सेल कर रहे थे? Silver jewelry. Total calm, total peace. You can write down, or you can say that the what kind of the shape of this? It had a dome shape. Dome stands for just like this, Bodhnath Stupa. And after that he comes to the market. Market के scene को describe किया गया है. Now the third question is, what did the narrator see in the market? In the market you will describe कि उसने क्या क्या देखा है मार्केट के बीच में. वो सारा सीन आप डिस्क्राइब कर देंगे कि फ्लूट सेलर वॉज देयर, हॉकर्स वर देयर, विच काइंड ऑफ साउंड्स वर कमिंग ओवर देयर. I have already explained this in the video.